Well, this is the new Spartan RZC. It is a homeowner's unit. It is made for the homeowner, but it is made with the commercial machine in mind. You'll notice 42-inch deck in this particular case, and in all decks for Spartan, they're 7-gauge steel, not just their high-end machines, but this particular one, it's a fabricated deck. It has all heavy-duty pulleys, heavy-duty belts, heavy-duty springs, all built in on the deck, not the cheap stuff that you buy at the box store. The homeowner's unit uses tough torque pumps, the same ones they use in the John Deere machines. It's got a Kawasaki engine on the back. Very simple, very basic outline for a machine. It's an easy setup, easy to maintain, easy to keep it running properly. You'll notice it has a computer that tells you everything about when you need maintenance, what kind of problems you may or may not be having, a place to plug your phone in, an electric PTO. This machine will far surpass anybody else in the market for a homeowner's machine.